Hello there and welcome back to Huga House. Today we're going to learn as why people should come and stay in this one-of-a-kind off-grid cabin in Challis, Idaho. Now let's get started. Experience off-grid living in this one-of-a-kind cabin building located in Challis, Idaho, United States. The cozy one-bedroom wood cabin can accommodate up to 2 guests. This wood cabin vacation stay has been cleaned using enhanced cleaning methods, which is a rigorous set of cleaning standards that have been developed by Airbnb with leading health and hospitality experts. For your health and safety, this wood cabin vacation property has all surfaces sanitized, with every high-touch surface sanitized right down to the doorknobs. Cleaning is done using approved cleaning products, and cleaners have been approved by health experts such as disinfectants with 70% alcohol or higher. The wood cabin has been thoroughly cleaned, with each room using the extensive cleaning checklists. All of the linens are washed at a high temperature setting, following local guidance and compliance with local laws, including any additional safety or cleaning guidelines. Cleaning in the cabin building is done while wearing a mask and gloves to help avoid cross-contamination. During your vacation stay, you'll have the entire cabin building to yourself. This wood cabin isn't suitable for infants between 0 to 2 years of age, and the host doesn't allow parties or smoking. You'll want to make sure this host's house rules work for you before you book. The off-grid cabin building is a year-round getaway destination from the busyness of everyday life that will enable you to relax and unwind as you enjoy spectacular views, wildlife in their natural habitat, and the soothing sound of the gently flowing water in the creek. The wood cabin is located on the historical Bar Ranch along Mill Creek. This off-grid, custom-built timber frame wood cabin is situated within the Challis National Forest. It doesn't get much better than the natural views of the Challis, Idaho location. It's the perfect place to press the reset button and enjoy some relaxing time away. At night, you'll be able to stargaze and breathe in the fresh mountain air. The cantilevered master bedroom features sliding barn doors for privacy whenever you need it. If you love year-round activities, this premier wood cabin location is for you. The cabin building offers all outdoor activities to include fishing, skiing, hiking, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, hunting, stargazing, backpacking, ghost towns, hot springs, floating the Salmon River, and so much more. Or if you are just looking to enjoy a restful haven to renew your mind and spirit, then this wood cabin is it. This tranquil natural setting offers stunning views all around, so you'll want to bring along your book and enjoy reading and warming yourself by the inviting wood stove in the winter, or sitting on the outdoor porch while listening to the creek in the summer. Plus, you'll love the cool mountain air, which makes for a great night's sleep. The one-of-a-kind cabin building is pet-friendly with a one-time $20 dog fee. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. Also, subscribe to our channel. We will be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes, tiny homes, to vacation homes, and to other inspiring home ideas.